Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about something that's on a lot of developers' minds right now. Is AI going to replace software developers? I get it. With ChatGPT, co-pilots, and even AI generating entire websites, it can feel like we are heading towards this era. But here's the truth: AI is not here to replace you. It's here to assist you. Let's get into this.
In the age of AI, thriving as a software developer means embracing change. Here's a quick guide to help you navigate this new landscape. Step 1. Stay curious and keep learning. AI is evolving fast. Step 2. Collaborate with AI tools to enhance your productivity. Step 3. Focus on creativity and problem-solving skills. These are the human elements AI can't replace. Embrace the future and thrive in your career. Remember, AI is a tool, not a threat. Stay ahead, stay inspired, and keep coding.
So let me leave you with this. AI would not eliminate developers, but it will eliminate the developers who ignore it. The future belongs to those who embrace change, not fear it. If you are willing to grow, evolve, and learn, you are unstoppable. Let me know in comments what are you doing to stay ahead in the age of AI. Thank you so much.